Welcome to Sanskrit learning series. In this video, we are going to see about Abhyasaha for the lesson 4, Standard 6, Ruchira. First is Ucharanam Kurita, do pronunciation. Aham, Avam, Vayam. Aham is Asmat Shabda, Prathama Vibhakti. I, we both, we all. Next, Mam, Avam, Asman. So this is second case, Ditya Vibhakti, Asmat Shabdaha. To me, to both of us, to all of us. Mama, Avayoho, Asmakam. This is Asmat Shabda, Shashti Vibhakti. My, ours, both, ours, all. Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. So this is Yushmat Shabda, Prathama Vibhakti. You, you both, you all. Tvam, Yuvam, Yushman. This is Yushmat Shabda, Dvitiya Vibhakti. To you, to both of you, to all of you. Next, Shashti Vibhakti Rupam for Yushmat Shabda is Tava, Yuvayoho, Yushmakam. Yours, both of yours, yours, that is all. So, this is the first three is for Asmat Shabda, Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti and Shashti Vibhakti Rupam. And the last three rows, it corresponds to Yushmat Shabda, Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti and Shashti Vibhakti Rupani. Now we will do the second question. Nirdeshanusaram Parivartanam Kuruta. Change as directed. Yatha. Aham patami. Bahuvachane. So we have to convert this into plural. So for doing conversion, we have to do each and every word conversion. So aham, what is the aham bahuvachan rupam? It's aham, avam, vayam. So vayam is the bahuvachan. Patami, patami, patavaha, patamaha. So patamaha. So vayam patamaha. First sentence is aham nrityami. Aham nrityami means I dance. Vayam nrityamaha. Second sentence, tvam patasi. Tvam patasi means you study. So tvam, once again we will recall, tvam yuvam yuyam. So yuyam is the bahuvachanam. Patasi patataha patatha. So patatha. Yuyam patatha. Next third sentence, yuvam kridatha. Yuvam means you both. So what is that asked? Ekavachani. What is the singular form? Tvam. So tvam. Kridataha. Kridataha. Kridasi is ekavachana kriyapada. So tvam kridasi. You play. Fourth sentence, avam gachavaha. So avam is aham, avam, vayam. What is asked here? Bahuvachani. So vayam is the sentence word. Gachavaha. Gachavaha. Gachamaha is the bahuvachana kriyapada. So vayam gachamaha. Avam gachavaha means we both go. Vayam gachamaha means we all go. And the next sentence is asmakam pustakani. See, asmakam is the asmat shabda shashti vibhakti bahuvachana rupam. So what is asked? Ekavachani, singular form. So mama is the word. So mama pustakani. So pustakani also we have to do conversion. Since it is in bahuvachana rupam, we have to do conversion. Pustakam is the ekavachanam. So mama pustakam. And the next sentence is tava griham. So tava is the yushmat shabda shashti vibhakti. So tava yuvayoho yushmakam is its rupam. What is asked? Dvivachane. So what is the dvivachana rupam? Yuvayoho. So yuvayoho is the answer. Griham, griham, grihe, grihani. So what is the dvivachana among these? Grihe is the answer. So yuvayoho, grihe. So tava griham means your home. Yuvayoho grihe means your both of your home. Next third question is Koshtakat uchitam shabdam chitva riktasthanani purayata. So two options will be given. Among these two options, we have to choose the correct one and we have to write that correct word in this blanks. First is dash patami. Since patami is there, so it gives a clue that it is a singular. Singular word should come. So Vayam is the Bahuvachanam. So Aham is only Ekavachana Asmat Shabdaha. So Aham Pathami. Next one is dash Gachataha. Gachataha is there. So Gachataha is Dvivachana Kriyapadam. So what is the Dvivachanam among these Yuvam and Yuyam? It is Yuvam only. So you both go. Third is Etat dash Pustakam. Mom and Mama. So among this, Mama is the correct option. This is my book. So my, what is that my? Sashti Vibhakti Rupam for Asmat Shabdaha. So Mama is the answer. Next fourth is dash Kridanakani. Yushman and Yushmakam. So Yushman is Vidya Vibhakti Rupam for Yushmat Shabdaha and Yushmakam is the Sashti Vibhakti Rupam for Yushmat Shabdaha. So all of yours toys. So all of yours, it is Yushmakam. Sashti Vibhakti should be used, not Vidya Vibhakti Rupam. So Yushmakam Kridanakani. Next is dash Chatre Swaha. So Vayam and Avam is there. So on seeing that Swaha, we can easily tell that it is Dvivachana Kriyapadam. So what is that Dvivachana Namapadam out of this? Sarvanamapadam out of this? Avam is there. So Avam Chatre Swaha. We both are students. Next is Yesha dash Lekhani. So Tava and Tvam are the given options. Tava is yours and Tvam means to you. So Tava is Sashti Vibhakti and Tvam is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. So this is your pen. So your, what is that your? Tava is the answer. So Esha Tava Lekhani. This is your pen. Fourth question. Kriya Padaihi Vakyani Purayata. So they gave some verbs in this box and we have to write a sentence using these verbs. They gave Aham Patami. So first one is Tvam dash. So here on saying this Tvam, it gives an inference, it gives a clue that the verb should end with the C for Tvam, isn't it? So among the given verbs, the only verb ending with the C is Patasi. So, Tvam Patasi, you study. Next one is second sentence, Avam dash. So, Avam is there. On seeing Avam, the ending, the verb should end with the Avaha. Isn't it? So, Gachavaha is the word. So, Avam Gachavaha, we both go. Uyam dash. So, Tvam Yuvam Uyam. So, for Uyam, the verb should end with the tha. So, Pashyatha. So, you all see. Next one is Aham dash. Yes, Aham is there. The ending letter of the verb should be Ami. So, Aham Likhami. Next, Yuvam dash. So, Yuvam is Tvam Yuvam Uyam. So, Yuvam is Dvivachana Sarvanama Yushmat Shabdaha and the verb should end with the Thaha. So among these options, Krida Thaha is the ending word which has the ending letter Thaha. So Krida Thaha. Next one is Vayam dash. See Vayam, on seeing that Vayam, the verb should end with the Amaha. So Dhava Maha. We run. We all run. Now we will see the next fifth question. Uchita Padaihi Vakya Nirmanam Kuruta. See, they gave some words and using these words you have to frame sentence. See, they gave first sentence Esha Mama Pustika. This is my book. Mama means my. Likewise, we have to do the rest of the sentences. Etat dash griham. This is my home. I can tell this is my home. So Mama. Okay, Mama, my means Mama. And even you can tell Tava also. But let us say Mama. Okay, Etat Mama griham. Second is Avayoho Maitri Dhrida. So our friendship is strong. Both of our friendship is strong. Okay, so Avayoho. Eshaha dash vidyalayah. This is your school. So your means tava. Eshaha tava vidyalayah. Yesha dash adhyapika. This is your both of your teacher, lady teacher. Okay, so yuvayoho, both of yours, both of your yuvayoho. Bharatam dash deshaha. Bharat, India is our nation. So asmakam. Etani dash pustakani. These books are yours. So Esha Ushmakam Pustakani. Sixth question. Ekavachana padasya bahuvachana padam. Bahuvachana padasya ekavachana padam cha likhata. So what is asked is, they will be giving a word. We have to do conversion. If it is ekavachana means we have to do conversion in bahuvachana. And when it is bahuvachana, we have to do conversion in ekavachana. Let's start doing it. First, eshaha. Eshaha means eshaha, etau, ete. So, bahuvachana rupam is ete. Saha. Saha, tau, te. Bahuvachana rupam is te. Taha. This is bahuvachana rupam. What is the ekavachana rupam? Sa. Sa, te, taha. So, sa is the ekavachana rupam. Yetaha. Yesha, ete, etaha. So, etaha is the bahuvachana rupam. The ekavachana rupam is esha. Next, tvam. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam. So, ekavachanam is tvam and yuyam is the bahuvachana rupam. Asmakam. Asmakam means ours. My means, that is mama. Mama is ekavachanam. Asmakam, bahuvachana rupam, and mama is ekavachanam. Mama, avayoho, asmakam. Okay. Next, tava. Tava, yuvayoho, yushmakam. So, tava is a ekavachanam and yushmakam is a bahuvachanam. Etani, etani, etat, ete, etani. Etani is bahuvachana rupam and etat is a ekavachana rupam. Next one is seventh question. First, vartalape riktasthanani purayata. So the conversation is happening. Vartalapaka means conversation. In this conversation, we can see some fill-ups and we have to fill in those blanks. First, Priyambada. Shakuntale, tvam kim karoshi? So Priyambada is asking Shakuntala, what you are doing, what you do. Shakuntala is answering. Priyambade, dash nrityami, dash kim karoshi. See, on saying that Ami and she, you can easily find out what could be the noun, Sarvanama Shabda coming over there. So, aham nrityami. Aham, if aham is used, ami should be the ending verb. And likewise, karoshi is there, so tvam should be used there. So, aham nrityami. Tvam kim karoshi? I dance. What do you do? Priyambada. Shakuntale. Dash gayami. Likewise, aham should be used. I sing. Kim dash na gayasi. Si is there, so tvam should be used. Kim tvam na gayasi. Didn't you sing? Shakuntala. Priyambade. Dash na gayami. Priyambade. Dash. So, gayami. Ami is there. Aham should be used. So, I don't sing. Dash tu nrityami. But I dance. Aham tu nrityami. Aham. Okay. Next, Priyambada. Shakuntale. Kim dash mata nrityati. Shakuntala. Did your mother dance? Tava. So, your means tava. Shakuntala. Dash mata api nrityati. Yes. My mother also dances. So, mama. Sadhu. Good. We both go. So, avam. Chalavaha is there. So, avam should be used. We both go. Next question is Upayuktena arthena saha yojayata. So, we have to match the words according to their meanings. In the left hand side, we can see the Sanskrit words, and in the right hand side, they gave meanings. So, let us do the match. First one is sa. See, sa means vah strilinga. Tani. Tani means ve napumsakalinga. Asmakam hamara. Yuyam tum sab. Avam हम दोनों, मम मेरा, युवयोः तुम दोनों का, तव तुम्हारा. So with this, the abhyasaka for this lesson is getting over. I hope you found today's videos helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and do consider subscribing if you are not subscribed to this channel. Please share it across with those whom you think might benefit from this. Thanks for watching. Thank you.